There are some weird things in this video, but they work, and that's what makes it interesting. So these are unsexy products that make you look sexier. So if you're interested in anything, it'll all be linked down below in the description box. I'll pin everything in the top comment, and you can always scan this QR code. We're starting off with a bang with this specific shapewear, which I know you've seen shapewear before. No, this is different. There are specific features that go above and beyond. It's crazy. Like, they just keep improving and improving and improving, and this is the best shapewear I have ever tried. And I just want to be clear, I know I don't need shapewear, okay? Like, I am on the thin side. I read the reviews. I also looked at pictures. I ordered it myself. Just the way they made this, like, it's gonna make you look just perfect silhouette. Like, it's amazing. So let me just start off with the fact that it is a clasp and zipper design in the front. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it on, and then you're going to clasp the top. You can clasp a couple, like there's tons of clasps up and down, but then it allows you to zip it up, and let me just tell you, when you zip, it sucks everything in. It creates the most beautiful silhouette. You will notice that there are adjustable straps up here. I mean, it's gonna create cleavage. Not that I have any. If you do though, it's gonna be banging. Why did I just say that word? Anyway, then the butt. The butt has like these, and I can't really like explain it till you get it, but it lifts your butt. It creates just really nice shape back there. There's like a silicone coating on the thigh, so it keeps it in place. Nothing is shifting, nothing is moving. Now, I did mention cleavage, which some people say cleavage is sexy. I hate that word. I don't like it, but for this video, I'm gonna be a big girl. Sexy cleavage, ew. I don't have any, unless I use these bad boys. I call this the cleavage creator, or really, they're the sticky boobies. Although I've tried so many sticky boobies, these are the ones that actually work, so much so that I must demonstrate over top of a shirt, because I don't wanna get demonetized. You would do this, you know, not over top of a shirt, obviously, but you stick it to the sides, okay? Then there's clasps in the center. You pull it towards the center, clasp it, it stays in place, instant cleavage creator. So these are great, they definitely work. And then we have these, which are a little scary. And that's what I mean, guys. These products are weird and you look very unsexy using them, but then they give an amazing result. So these are actually DIY facial masks from Amazon, and they are super cheap. I didn't even know they existed until I discovered them myself. And I'm like, yes, this is perfect, because you can use your own favorite skincare to create your own masks. It saves you money, and then you're using products that you like, and like the ingredients, which are very important to me. And so obviously I use my night oil, which this is my own brand, Third Layer. I'm obsessed with castor oil. I think castor oil is literally a miracle in a bottle. And so I wanted to make it a lot better. So I added 3 extra ingredients to make it better. And I'm just so proud of this. It's like elite, top tier quality, guys. And I put a thin layer of this on my face, down my neck, every single night before bed. It's all I use for skincare. It's so much healthier and it works amazing for like everything. But if you wanna maybe take it to the next level and really hydrate your skin, lock in the hydration, you can put a thicker layer of this on your skin and then get one of these facial masks. They're pretty thin and you can actually wet it and then press it on top and like really press it in. It locks the hydration in. Leave this on for like 20 minutes. And then when you take it off, your skin is plump, it's glowy, it's amazing. But I did wanna also mention that we are finally back on Amazon Prime, which is a big deal. When we launched in September on our official website and Amazon, we sold out everywhere, which was kind of cool, but honestly annoying. We then came back in stock on our official website, but now we're finally back on Amazon Prime. So if you want the bundle deal, which this is my other product, this is the Day Spray. This is a functional fragrance, meaning it is a very healthy dry oil. It's fabulous, but it replaces your toxic perfume. So if you want the bundle deal, and like when you buy both, you save money. My promo code SHEA15 is still active on our website. You can save 15% on our website. Or if you want one or the other, or maybe you still want both, you can get that on Amazon now. So I will link that below. I'm pretty sure I still have an active code on Amazon too. So I'll put that on the screen. You can enter that at checkout. Okay, so we talked about the skin on our face, down our neck. Let's move on to the skin on our bodies, because that is a really good way to be sexy if you've got soft, smooth skin. And this is the way you get there. And it's just this one, okay? Well, I actually have a couple versions of this mitt, but it's this specific material. I can't even describe it, but it sloths off your skin. It's actually quite gross. And don't worry, it doesn't hurt. It's not like you're bleeding, but you do need to do it in the shower. You get yourself a little damp, and then you go to town. You go in circular motions. You go up and down, and you will see the skin literally beat up and fall off. And this is not only extremely healthy, like it's a really good way to detox actually, but it leaves your skin the softest it's ever been. Your boyfriend's gonna notice, your husband's gonna notice. Who cares about them? You're gonna notice the soft skin. Then after you exfoliate, you could go in with a self-tanner. I don't know why we look so much better tan. Maybe you disagree. I love a good tan. I am not afraid of the sun, but in the winter months, sometimes I will bust out a good self-tanner, okay? And this is the favorite that I have tried. And it's healthy, it's Beauty by Earth, so really good ingredients. There are so many bad, toxic self-tanners out there, and you're just putting it on your whole body over and over again. I don't like it. I feel better about using this, but it actually gives such a beautiful color. It blends really well. This is the self-tanner lotion. Here's an example on my legs. Like, it's a beautiful color, and it's not streaky, it's not orange. And then this is a self-tanner for your face, same brand. They did give me a 10% off code, so I'll put it here on the screen, and this also works on Amazon, this code, so enter that at checkout if you wanna try a healthy self-tanner. But what looks so unsexy is when the self-tanner starts to fade, but very unevenly. It looks so dumb. I hate it. And honestly, not even so much with this product. This fades very gradually and evenly, which is nice. But some of the big name self-tanners out there, it can look so dumb around your ankles or your knees or your hands or your wrists. Like, I hate it. And sometimes you just want to get it off and start fresh. And so you need to have this product on hand. It works unbelievably well and fast, and it's not filled with harsh chemicals like some of the other ones. So this is the Bali Body Express Tan Remover. It uses grapefruit oil, it uses different enzymes, and you just put it on your areas. And by the way, this is fake. Like, I mean, obviously it's fake tanner, but I like made it look bad just to kind of show you what it can do. So you put this on dry skin, rub it, leave it sit on the areas for like a minute or so, then just get in the shower and rinse it off, and it comes off beautifully and you're good as new. Now, one thing about getting older, our skin starts to look older, whether it be from sunspots or dark spots, especially on our chest. It could be our shoulders, it could be our face. And this is kojic acid soap that fades the dark spots or the sunspots. You can keep this in your shower. It works really well. I must admit, I legitimately think our night oil works even better to fade sunspots and dark spots. I think it's because this is such a quick thing, whereas this like really goes deep into your skin. Try this anywhere you have dark spots, but again, if you just want to do it in the shower, this works great too. Now this is another miracle in a bottle, but it is in fact a chemical bomb, so you should not use it every day. Save this for special occasions. It could be a special night with your one and only, or it could just be in the summer and you're gonna be around a lot of people and you don't want any razor burns or ingrown hairs down there. Wow, does this work? You just dab some on a cotton ball and you're smooth as a baby's bottom. I mean, it really works well. You could do it on your underarms, really wherever, but again, you'll notice the smell. Probably not super healthy, but it really works. Moving along to our hair. And we kind of just talked about hair down there and getting rid of it. Let's talk about the hair up here that we wanna enhance. So our brows, so important to our face. And I discovered via TikTok that you can buy men's beard dye, okay? Like just for men. Get it in the color of your hair and then literally dye your brows. Oh my gosh, it works so well and lasts so long. And you only need like a little pea size. You just combine the two, mix it together, get a little angled brush that's for makeup and paint it on your brows. Leave it on literally for like 4 minutes, okay? Like it's quick. And wipe it off, like rinse it off, and your brows are dyed and they're darker. They look so much better, but they're natural looking. This is such a cool hack where you look really weird doing it, but then it gives just the best results. And then I also talked about this hair glaze in a recent video, but I'm bringing it back again because I have been floored at how amazing this stuff has been. You can get it on Amazon. I think some of the colors are sold out on Amazon, so I'm gonna link it down below from somewhere else, just so you have more of a selection. Oh my gosh, it's so different. It is a semi-permanent glaze, so you have to get the color that you want. So I have blazing brown, and my hair has been so shiny and rich. It just like enhances is the color, but you have to use this on dry hair with disposable gloves, like, because this will stain your hands if you don't. And you just put it on dry hair. You can be really quick about it. You don't have to be perfect, but just coat, different sections of your hair. You leave it on to develop for at least 10 minutes, and then you rinse it off in the shower. And then your hair is just so shiny and vibrant, and it lasts for at least 10 washes, which is why I'm still enjoying it. Like, I can still tell a difference with my hair. So this will absolutely make you look and feel sexier. And then one last hair thing, this is a satin bonnet. You don't look sexy wearing it at night, but it makes your hair look better in the morning, especially if you have it styled. Like, if I have curl in my hair, I can actually go a few days without having to re-curl it. And I think a lot of it is because of this satin bonnet. So I like to kind of twist it up in my hands, and then I like put the satin thing over top, and then my hair is kind of loose inside. It's comfortable to sleep in. It's not too tight. This is actually reversible. You just sleep with it, and then in the morning, your hair is smooth. This kind of adds some shine to it, and then your curl or your style is still intact. Now, throughout this video, we've talked about a lot of external things you can do to look better, but if you stink, you're not sexy. I am gonna be honest. I hate wearing deodorant, and I will wear deodorant, obviously. However, if I'm not going anywhere, sorry Josh, I don't put deodorant on. I'm just being frank, but it's okay because of the chlorophyll drops. This is an internal deodorant. I am telling you guys, it really works. It really, really does. I mean, chlorophyll is just from plants. It's like super potent green. It's just from plants, and it's great for detoxing you. It's great for cellular energy, but an added benefit, and you can look this up, it really neutralizes the odor in our body, so it, like, you don't create as much body odor. And I know I can tell a difference when I use this. Under the next number, this has nothing to do with looking sexy, but I just really like this water bottle. And I'm really trying to use glass water bottles instead of metal and plastic. And this is just such a nice one because it's completely protected. It's a good size. I love that you can just drink it like a normal water bottle. You don't have to clean like a million components, and you can see how much water is left. So I'll fill this up. I'll put a full dropper of the chlorophyll into this. You can see it go. It's like dark green, but it tastes minty and delicious. Like, it actually tastes really good, but it's a very light taste. It just enhances the water, and it's just so good for you to do. But again, an added benefit is you don't stink. So everything in this video will be linked down below in the description box. I'll also pin everything in the top comment. Don't forget about some of the promo codes I shared, including my 3rd layer night oil and my day spray. I would love for you to give it a try. I think you'll love it. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.